Now, let's discuss about analysis using means, but same with the medium polish, we will only be focusing about analysis using means for the main effects only case. Analysis using means is a procedure that takes the means along rows, columns, or layers instead of medians. Although this process is not resistant, repeated polishing is not necessary when the table contains no holes. Let y sub small r small c small l be the observed data, where r is equal to 1 to up to big R, c is equal to 1 to up to big C, and small l is equal to 1 to up to big L. A sub r be the row means, b sub c be the column means, c sub l be the layer means, and lastly, m be the overall means. To get a sub r or the row means, it is equal to the double summation of y sub small r small c small l for all values of small c and small l, all over to the product of the number of columns and the number of layers. To get b sub small c or the column means, it is equal to the double summation of y sub small r small c small l for all values of small r and small l, all over the product of total numbers of rows and total numbers of layers. For the layer means, it is equal to the double summation of y sub small r small c small l for all values of small r and small c, all over to the product of the total numbers of rows and columns. To get m or the overall mean, it's equal to a sub dot or b sub dot or c sub dot or y sub triple dot. That notation signifies averaging over that subscript. So, a sub dot is equal to the summation of a sub small r all over big R or the total number of rows. It can also be treated as getting the mean of the row means. The same concept is applied to b sub dot and c sub dot. The effect estimates are computed as follows. Alpha sub small r hat is equal to a sub small r minus m. Beta sub small c hat is equal to b sub small c minus m. And gamma sub small l hat is equal to c sub small l minus m. While mu hat is equal to m. The residuals are equal to the observed value minus its corresponding row, column, and layer means plus twice the overall means. Or it can also be computed by observed value minus the effect estimates.